Common animals.
Frog.
Frog. Frog.
Frogs catch flies with their long, sticky tongues.
Goat.
Goat. Goat.
Did you know that goats can produce milk?
Cat.
Cat. Cat. Do you have a cat at home? Cow.
Cow. Cow.
Cows can produce milk.
Frog.
Frog. Goat.
Goat.
Cat.
Cat.
Cow.
Cow.
Bird.
Bird. Bird.
Birds can fly up in the sky.
Dog.
Dog. Dog. Dogs have a good sense of smell. Fish.
Fish. Fish. A lot of people keep fish as pets. Do you?
Bird.
Bird.
Dog.
Dog.
Fish.
Fish.
Sheep. Sheep.
The farmer is shearing a sheep for wool.
Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Ducks keep clean by preening themselves.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Duck.
Duck.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chickens live on the farm.
Pig.
Pig. Pig.
A pig uses its snout to smell and find food.
Chicken.
Chicken. Pig.
Pig.
Horse.
Horse. Horse.
Horse riding is a fun pastime for all ages.
Horse.
Horse.